And what's up, you guys? And it is beginning of day number 2. Here in South Carolina, and I just got woke up by my 2 dogs. They like to do this maneuver where they hit the door with their head to let me know it's time to get up, so I'm gonna go feed them. Now the dogs are fed. I got all my camera stuff ready last night so that I won't have to worry about getting that packed before work this morning. I got a couple things that I'm gonna get for the road. Let's get a couple of these containers out. One thing I gotta do today, outside of probably try to clean my whip, is I'm gonna need to call Glenn and see if these painters need paint supplies. Just got to Second Lube Gym, and I found out that they already got the paint and supplies, so I'm gonna go in there and we gotta hang up some TVs. So that's a wrap for Second Loop. I got a lot of stuff done over here. I got those TVs hung, which was a pain in the butt because they were super heavy, but we got them hung up really well. I got my breakfast eaten, which was the French toast that I had prepared, and I had called Time Warner and got them to turn on 2 of the TVs because they deactivated the line. But we got that straight. Now I'm going to head to a little plant called RBC, in which I'm going to change the treadmill belt if I can't do a quick fix and like fix it for cheaper when I get there. So let's get on down the road and see how the belt replace goes. So I was driving down the road going to RBC, and I seen a hawk on a power line, and I was like, you know what, that 85 would get pretty close, and the power line was low to the ground. So I'm like 100 yards up ahead of it. I'm gonna turn around, put the 85 on here, and get the picture and see how it looks. So Philip, if you're watching, you might like this one. Check this out. So peace out. Let's get the picture. Ready to change the treadmill belt out, and I'm going to shoot a time lapse to show you guys how I do that. It's pretty cool. So I just got done at RBC and got that treadmill belt changed, which I like sharing with you guys a little time lapse, and I think that's how I'm going to continue to do the work segments so that I can focus on my work but still like capture it for y'all. And drove over here to Hartsville, South Carolina, where we have a gym, and I need to heat up my second meal. So I'm going to go in there, heat up my meal, and yeah. that completes it for today, you guys. It was very successful, starting off with like getting up early, feeding the dogs, got them TVs on the wall. It was a big job. It took 4 people. I'm glad I got that knocked out. Got to RBC, got all their equipment checked out, found something that was squeaking, went ahead and oiled that and fixed that up. Got that belt changed, got over to Hartsville, ate my second meal. I still got one more to eat, and then got that leg press worked out, which looks a lot better now that it's got those handles and a new belt on it. Now hopefully I can get home. I'll be getting home about 5:30, 6 o'clock today. Run in the door, go ahead and upload all the stuff and try to put this into a video for you guys. Yesterday it took me to midnight and I started on 6, so hopefully I can speed this process up just a little bit more. And once I get that process sped up a little bit more, maybe the videos will start looking a little cleaner. Not that that was a bad looking video yesterday, but I think I can do better. Actually, I know I can do better. So just be looking forward to this progressing as the days/weeks go on. But if you're new to my channel or you like this vlog, please leave in the comments down below and hit the like, notification bell, and subscribe if you want to. Until next time, you guys. And by next time, I mean tomorrow, because I'm on a roll. Peace out.